Oke, nah jadi hari ini buat snack mau makan deer butter. So I bought this new skincare yang katanya bagus buat jerawat juga. If I can feel this way, apalagi orang-orang lain, calm down. Morning. Dan with my morning yoga, belakangan ini gue sering banget kayak feel anxious. Jadi gue lebih sering yoga pagi-pagi, and lumayan sih it helps with mindfulness. I recommend it. So I bought this new skincare yang katanya bagus buat jerawat juga, yaitu dia dari Skin1004, namanya itu Madagascar Centella. Nih, Madagascar Centella Ampoule. Katanya ini tuh bagus banget buat jerawat dan buat merah-merah, so I'm excited to try this. Kemarin gue coba dikit sih, terus kayak rednessnya emang udah a little bit calming, but I've been getting a lot of jerawat lately, so I just want something new for my zits, so let's try it. A little bit of essential oil. Refreshing.
If you have done everything you said you should and it still doesn't work out, fatigue can sap you of your energy.
So I'm currently listening to this TED Talk and I really recommend it, called 3 Questions to Ask Yourself About Everything You Do. It's a good one. Full glass of banana smoothie dicampur spirulina, terus tadi pakai almond milk for breakfast. Cheers! Love having something healthy in the morning, jadi itu kayak just like, you know, kickstart your day and just put in good things in your body. I'm just trying to be more healthy and live a more balanced life. Finishing my juice outside, sekalian dapat morning sun juga.
Po, jalan-jalan, smell the grass.
Vitamins. A gentle reminder to take water. Ya, aja kemarin juga. Taliwang. Tipo, kenapa? Camera on, testing. Hello everyone and welcome to my vlog. Gue pengen cerita sedikit kali ya about like why I wanted to start this vlog gitu. It all started last week. Orang-orang lagi corona kayak gini lah ya, you can't go anywhere gitu. A lot of people are depressed, kayak banyak banget. Gue juga ngobrol sama orang-orang yang I know that are close to me. Mereka kayak ngerasa it's a stressful situation lah gitu lagi corona ini gitu loh. And apalagi especially juga maksudnya buat orang-orang mungkin ya kayak sebenarnya sama gue gitu ya, lagi quarter life crisis. Oh, and disclaimer, kayak I know me telling this story may get me judged gitu, kayak apaan sih nih orang, kayak your life is actually good gitu, you're living a good life. I might get hate for this gitu kan. I'm saying yes, I know that gitu. Tapi makanya kayak gue juga pengen acknowledge kayak ada banyak orang di luar sana yang kayak you don't know gitu, kalau misalnya you just look on the surface gitu, kayak you have to look beyond that, you have to look kayak beneath that gitu, what's happening to them gitu. Dan kayak I mean I know I don't really have a lot of problems or whatever gitu, tapi kayak if I can feel this way, apalagi orang-orang lain yang kayak you know are having a lot of problems gitu, atau enggak teman-teman lu gitu lah, bahkan yang lu nggak tahu misalnya are having problems but you just never ask them, but deep down they're having kayak problems gitu. So I'm just kayak I just hope that this vlog can be like something helpful, or like you know like something like like a meditative vlog or something gitu. Calm down. This is also a meditative journey for me gitu. You know, life is not about kayak one thing gitu. You have to enjoy the little moments gitu. Jadi makanya this is why I made this vlog. Siapa tahu juga membantu buat kalian semua, kayak this is just a reminder for myself and for you to enjoy the little things in life, and then also to remind yourself that it's okay to take time for yourself gitu. In this fast-paced world, lu ngerasa kayak I can't take time for myself, pokoknya nggak ada waktu. This is to help myself be reminded, and to help you guys also yang mungkin juga lagi in a stressful situation atau gimana, to be reminded also gitu loh. So yep, that is just like a brief video of why I started this video. I mean, of why I started this vlog, lol.
Oke, nah jadi hari ini buat snack mau makan deer butter. Ini yang kayak croffle yang super duper terkenal.
Cheers. Enak. Ini kayak habis dipanasin pakai toaster, tuh kayak jadi anget. Jadi luarnya tuh kayak masih crispy. Manisnya tuh menurut aku nggak gitu manis. Jadi kayak dia lumayan enak. Walaupun tadi udah tambahin maple syrup sama kayak powdered sugar sama almond gitu ya, tapi dia tetap kayak nggak semanis itu. Tapi menurut gue jadi kayak perfect, dan kayak dalamnya tuh lebih chewy daripada croffle biasa. Kalau misalnya croffle biasa kan biasanya yang lainnya suka kayak terlalu flaky gitu ya. Tergantung sih, kalau misalnya suka flaky, suka yang biasanya. Tapi ini lebih kayak lebih chewy, lebih kayak waffle instead of like the croissant gitu. So, yep, I like it though overall. Yeah. Just had a mini work break, barusan bikin apple cider vinegar and honey in water, dingin-dingin buat sore-sore kayak gini. So refreshing. Ini udah jadi kayak one of my daily routines and I really love it. It's so healthy for you and it tastes good as well. Kayak honey lemon gitu, asam-asam dan manis. Yum.
People want a jerky? Well, yeah.
Is it cream? Okay, it's officially nighttime, so I am turning in for the night.